Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. What a trading week it has been here for the S&P 500. What a day it's been, in fact. We're up over 2% now on the S&P 500, currently trading at 3,800, which was my end of the year price target going into the end of 2020. So we've achieved it 7 days later, but I'm over the moon, and I've just banked in a phenomenal amount of profits here on the S&P 500. I personally myself have just banked over $74,000 here on the S&P 500, which I've been holding for some time, dating back to the US election. But 2 months work for $74,000, not bad, right? But really good gains. Well done to everyone in the Signal team who managed to close out in profit yesterday as well. We did have a short buy signal down at around 3,720. We did close it at 3,750-ish. I wanted to close it earlier. I did want to hold it to 3,800, but I had to close it earlier because of what was going on yesterday in the Senate. With the pro-Trump supporters taking over the Senate, it really is horrible that took place. That's not what the US is about, and it was just really horrible and damaging to see it being played on the news here in the UK. If anything like that happened in the UK, it would be a huge shock. So I can imagine what people in the US are feeling right now. So my hearts do go out to everyone. But onwards and upwards, Trump has now accepted his defeat to Biden. Finally, it's been a long ordeal. It's lasted roughly 3 months, dating back to November the 4th, when the results were out. But onwards and upwards. I think I'm hoping that Biden going into 2021, when he does take control of office in 14 days' time, he will bring more calm to the markets. With Trump, all it took was for one tweet, and boom, the market spiked up or the market spiked down. But with Biden, I'm expecting that calmness to return to the markets, which really is good. As investors, that is what we want. We want to invest our money in an asset which gradually goes up or gradually goes down. We don't want any sharp, choppy movements. So I am very bullish going into 2021. As I mentioned, 4,300, 4,400 is roughly the area I'm targeting. That represents a 15 to 13% move from where we currently are now. RSI is approaching the expensive side. We're nearly at 70, so I wouldn't be surprised if we did get a pullback. I would love a pullback back down towards the 50-day EMA, which is at 3,600. If we get a pullback to this area here, I'd be all over it. But it looks to me that now we'll go and trade up towards 3,900. I'm a bull. No interest in selling this. As I mentioned in my previous videos, indices are a product and they are designed to go higher, and that's what they've been doing for the past 2 decades. So don't try and short the indices. Just simply buy the dip.